This video is meant as an introduction to how to model linear equations and functions, how to solve story problems, application problems, modeling problems. Now, it is important you understand the algebraic approach, not just writing down the answer. You have to understand the answer in context to the problem. You have to understand the equation in context to the problem. So the first thing you're going to want to make sure you do is you define the variables you're going to be using. Don't just say, I'm going to use B for bats. I'm going to use H for hats. Understand what does it mean. B might be the number of bats. B might be the type of bats. Give context to the variable. Then identify any relevant information in the problem that's given to you and understand its relationship with the variables. And from that point, you set up and solve an equation or an inequality. So hopefully this makes sense when it comes to the approach. Students just jump right in and try and go right down to this part right here, which is really the third part in the approach. You first need to define these, and we're going to get to more complicated problems where it's important you understand how to define variables and give more meaning to it than just just bats, number bats, type of bats. You're going to have to understand the information in the problem and how to set up everything from there. So don't just rush down to number 3. We're going to look at all 3 steps for this process in this last